Nakahiga lang ako dito sa table, resting my eyes. And kanina ko pa pinapanood tong dalawang bird na nandito. Ang cute nila. They're just so cute. Look at them. Can you see it? This one. Wait, this one. And this one. Yan. Look at them. They're just so cute. Haha. Astig, no? Watch with me, guys. Watch with me. Watching birds. Ganyan lang ginagawa nila kanina pa. And I'm just here staring, watching them. It helps me relax my eyes. Kasi I'm having a hard time right now sa new glasses ko. Maybe because my eyes are still adjusting. Kaya, eto, nakachill lang ako dito. I don't know ba't nag-end up ako here. Pagdating ko dito sa dungeon, umiga agad ako dito sa table and sobrang press ko ng feeling. Tapos may electric fan dito. Electric fan. Tapos dito yung surface ko. I use this for work. So, meron akong Coke dito. Coke. So, dito pa yung apple kanina, fruits to eat. And then, I'm still here. And now, I'm watching those birds in front of me. They're still hanging out right there. By the way, to everyone who's watching this video, I would like to announce that I'm not gonna stream today. I am just going to rest, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Okay, so sana mag-ingat po, sana. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Okay, I'll try to stream on YouTube again tomorrow, tapos Twitch. Yun lang. Bye. Just a short update video for everyone.